Hi, how are you?
Superb. How are you?
Good.
Super.
Good to see you, girls. And I heard the word surprise, by the way.
Yes, you heard
So,
it right.
do you want to spill the beans now, or do you want to do it later?
Later.
Later.
Later. Good to see you, Divas. Well, let me also welcome everybody who's joined us in. Thank you so
Yeah.
much for joining us in. My name is Sachin Kumbhar, and with me, get me the color right. The green outfit is green,
Yes.
right? So we say, or is there any other
Yeah,
color
and
that?
we're matching.
So, oh yeah, actually, man, we're twinning today. We're twinning.
Yes.
So let me first welcome Adeline Castellino, Liva Miss Diva Universe 2020.
Thank
Congratulations
you.
on winning the crown this year, and you're going to be representing us on the global platform. And Arviti, you too are going to be representing us on the Liva Miss Diva Supranational 2020. So
Yes.
congratulations on that. And let's begin because we've promised all our viewers that we're going to have some fun time, and we
Lot
want
of fun. Yeah.
all of you also to be involved and join us in as to because I have a lot of questions for Adeline and Avriti. So I will throw that at you, and if our viewers also can join us and tell us that. Let me sit like very comfortably. Yeah, let's go. So
Are you
should
nervous?
why are you
Yes.
nervous? See, talking is my job, so I can go on and on and on and on and on and on. So, Sachin, will you get a chance to see any Salman Akbar? Of course, mere hockey wale bhai. He's one of the super international hockey players. So, thank you, Salman, for
Oh,
joining in. And yes, of course, yes, जब भी हमें मौका मिलेगा, जब हम बाहर जा सकते हैं, तब we will actually do it. So, hello to
Yes.
everybody, and let's begin.
Yeah.
Okay, so simple Masti Wale questions is what I'm going to ask, and viewers, each and everyone who's joined us in, if you have any questions, do shoot it to Adeline and Avriti and not to me. Thank you. Let's go. So you guys have been in the Bandra guest house. It's lockdown. It's been quite a long time that we all have been home. Video call sessions, training, homework, which is literally the homework and tasks. But सच्ची बताओ कितने TVs, series, कितने web series आपने देखे हैं? How much have you binged on?
Do you want to take this?
yes. Surprisingly, it's been very less that we've watched a lot of series. We've always been in so many, we have so much of homework, just as you said, from different panelists. So we keep on watching that. But whenever we get the chance, we kind of call home and speak to our parents whenever we get the chance. And the current series that I'm watching is The Crown on Netflix. Have you seen
Okay.
it?
No, I haven't. Avriti, what about you?
Okay, so there's one favorite TV series, all-time favorite series, that is Friends. I watch it every time I'm having my breakfast or lunch. I cannot eat without watching Friends. And then I started watching Brooklyn Nine-Nine, and I watch at least 2 episodes before I go to sleep because it's a stress buster. It's a stress buster. So whatever has happened. I laugh it off, and then I go back to sleep.
I think you get up with the Brooklyn Nine-Nine. She eats breakfast with that, and I think the whole the whole day is Brooklyn Nine-Nine.
You sleep with that too?
No, I watch 2 episodes and then I go to sleep because
Okay,
that's what I've been
we're
binging.
not
Just
getting that. This is not a naughty chat. This is
yeah.
not. So so. But सच्ची बताओ अगर इतने
Give
सारे
up.
वेब सीरीज देखते हो इतने सारे सीरीज देखते हो when you actually do housework do divas actually do झाड़ू पोछा बर्तन do you ever do Adeline's eyes are doing the talking so yeah do you
We are lucky and we're blessed that we have bhaias here who take care of everything. So we don't do as much as work that required because we are usually doing our sessions. But yeah, once in a while we do. I mean, you do that thing, no? You arrange everything, and then the
Yes,
next day it gets all messy. I don't know how, but yes, we do
stress,
that.
stress
oh so
eating,
you
arranging
do
of
it only for
wardrobe.
videos you mess it up and you put it back and you put it back again
Yeah. But if we were at home, at least for me, if I was at home, my mother would have definitely taught me how to cook this time. She would have turned me into a master chef. So, but she missed her chance.
but now is your time to learn it no YouTube इतना YouTube पे available है go for it
I know, but I'm kind of scared of cooking. I'm like scared of a little scared of fire, and I'm scared of pressure cooker. That's like a funny thing that I'm scared of.
Let us see the Savitri side in you.
No, but we've had cooking sessions, by the way.
I know, I saw the videos
Yes,
and they
by
were pretty
Prachi, and she's
sensitive.
amazing.
Amazing.
She had such, she learned how to make caramel custard, and it was wow. She's not eaten it herself, but she made
Yeah,
amazing
I
caramel
made
custard.
2. I kept it, and it was supposed to be refrigerated for like 5-6 hours. And I came down, I opened the fridge, and one of it was already gone. I said, "Where did it go?" She said, "I ate it. It was very nice." I said, "I had to shoot the video."
This
You
this
didn't let me shoot it.
this mutual admiration is actually making me cry. How genuine and good sounding. Such batao.
I can't stay without sweet. I love sweets. I think that's my biggest weakness. That I'll be friends with anybody who gets me a chocolate because that's who I am.
Nice.
Easiest thing. Just
But,
telling you how to treat her.
Adeline, I want to know this. Adeline, somebody's asked, what is the target you have set for Miss Universe 2020? सवाल है.
What target? I've set a lot of targets, but specifically, what are they talking about?
Miss Universe 2020 के लिए आपने क्या-क्या तैयारी की है? Do you want to get that serious right now? That serious?
No.
No, and something
Definitely,
should
okay.
be surprise. A lot, we get a lot of questions like that. Keep on, all the time. But some things are better when they are a surprise. If you show everything, I mean, there's no anticipation, and people don't look forward to it. So it's very important to keep your training, in covers, and then low key, basically. Yes.
So
It's very-
Abhishek07 who's asked this question. So I will guarantee you that she's preparing hardcore, and especially this lockdown has given so much time to both the divas that they're working on every aspect to make it big and get that crown back home, right?
Right.
Yes.
Adeline, एक बार भैया बोल के दिखाओ. Who do you have at work? Who does work for you? Who's that?
Bhaiya.
Bhaiya. Bhaiya.
Bhaiya. Bhaiya.
Yeah. See? मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल तो नहीं सूप 02 बट हिंदी ट्यूटोरियल मैंने जरूर एडलिन के लिए दिया है. Now tell me, Adeline and Avriti, you both have been doing, actually especially Avriti, expectation versus reality during the lockdown. Yeah?
Yeah.
I want to be specific, very specific. ये सिर्फ वीडियो के लिए है, it's actually the truth. भैया है, but
No, so it's kind of like a mix. For example, if we are doing a workout, so if that day I'm not really in a mood to work out, if the trainer has told me, okay, I'm gonna get into trouble if I say that, but since you've asked me, if he's told me like 15 counts, we'll say 10 counts, and we'll say done.
She does ulti ginting.
Hindi,
And,
Adeline, go for it. Hindi,
and
come
I
on,
am
Adeline.
following my diet. That's there. I swear I'm following my diet. It's only because Adeline eats sweets. She gives me sweets as well. So I can't say no. It doesn't look nice,
Is there a
She's
hidden
so-
agenda that she's giving you sweets?
I think that too.
I actually
feel that.
I actually really
Feel that.
I really feel that I do my bit by eating her chocolates also, so she doesn't have to go through the phase of actually calorie building. So that's what I try to do for her.
Okay, now sir, there's a calorie related question that's coming from Aksha G21. Adeline, what is the next after dosa? We want another video soon. So what is in the pipeline? You've done the desi pancake. What is next?
So I'm very good in making egg curry. So maybe I'll try an egg curry or whatever. I mean, if they want me to make something.
Something
I
else.
love cooking, by the way. The only issue is that I love my food, but I don't feel that others do the same way that I do. But I love cooking.
Actually, when
We
I
love
was
your
making
confidence that you love your cooking. We
Yeah.
don't know about the eaters.
Japanese favorite 2 times.
No,
Yes,
but
Abhishek
she's
was saying something.
when I was making my caramel custard and I was trying to caramelize the sugar and it was not happening. And I was freaking out it's not happening. So it was Adeline who helped me that time. Because otherwise there was no custard to make.
I was a body double, yeah, making.
Yeah, making it. So it's not my...
Like you both are like literally right now talking like this दो बहनें बिछड़ी हुई बहनें who are helping each other in lockdown and just there for each other.
We have each other's sahara. क्या कर सकते हैं?
Yeah, you have like no choice.
It's a lot
actually.
of fun, I should say.
Sorry?
It's a lot of fun.
Of course we believe it. Somebody actually asked a question, and who is the strongest contestant in the Miss Universe 2020, Adelaide, according to you?
Right now, we have a group actually on Instagram where we all speak. We try to speak. I mean, most of the time they are very busy. All of them are so busy trying to help their respective countries, fight the situation. So we've never had that kind of thing, where we think, oh, this person is good or that person is good. I think everybody can realize that right now because a lot of things are happening globally. So I don't think that I've had the chance to think in this way.
Somebody's asked a very nice question, complimentary. He's just blown away by the way Adeline and Avriti are working on their way to their respective pageants. So, can you share one incident where you
Thank you so much.
didn't feel motivated, or is there even such a thing called demotivation?
Yes, of
Of
course.
course. There have been days when we felt like, uh, I don't really want to work out today, or I'm just going to skip my diet today. I'm gonna eat Maggie.
Actually, not a lot of people know this, because we always see social media, and on social media, everything is so nice, glamorous. People are working out all the time, but I know they know it's not reality. There are so many times that we are with each other, we have each other. So sometimes I break down. Honestly, I do because it's difficult. Let's be honest, it is difficult right now, and we are one of the most blessed ones that we have everything for us. We just have to train hard, but sometimes it gets to you, right? And
Yeah,
so there'll be days where I'll be really down, so she'll help me, she'll motivate
yeah.
me, like don't break so easily. And if there are days where she feels down, and then we kind of help each other, and that's what that's
And
what
we
keeps
are
us
away from
going.
our families. It's been a long time that we've seen them.
Right.
So sometimes we get a little
I
emotional.
That
just cry my, get my tears
Emotional.
off.
But I want to know why you feel like that. This must be an interesting story. Why two girls cannot be really good friends?
Oh my
Why
God!
would you
Of course
say
they
that?
can. They can, but it's just like so much love oozing. So I'm like, wow, do behne, and which is a good thing actually. But it's just the female version of Karan Arjun is what is in front of me right now. मेरे Karan Arjun आएंगे. Okay, I want to know now what is the Parth, love struck Parth. What is your favorite thing right now in your closet?
My pajamas. Definitely my pajamas.
And what are you missing the most, Avriti?
I'm missing, obviously I'm missing going out and meeting everyone, because if lockdown hadn't happened, we'd be meeting so many people, and I was expecting to go back home because I'm actually really missing them, missing my family. But on a lighter note, this is the longest time I've gone without eating pani puri. So
And
that's the real pain.
it's looking good on you.
Oh, no, but that's a real pain. We actually asked before this lockdown happened. We asked Bhaiya if he can get,
ये पानी
puri
पूरी चाट
and
वाट खा के
pani
कैसे
puri.
कैसे मेंटेन कर लेते हो यार पानी पूरी चाट ये सब खा के which hats off.
Pani puri में क्या होता है? It doesn't have
I have
any
the same question
fat
to her.
or
No,
calorie
it's
or
just
something.
it's just
It
fried
doesn't
food.
count.
That's about it. Yeah,
It doesn't count.
yeah. Adnan,
It's
what
nothing.
about you? What's
Uh,
your
I'm,
favorite closet?
I think the one outfit that I keep on selecting nowadays is the gym clothes because I get a lot of time to work out, and then after I get into dancing and all that, so I don't kind of get into any other outfit. So I'm always reaching out for my gym clothes, my gym track pants and all that. And
Okay,
one
and
thing that I miss,
yeah.
uh, I miss my family a lot, and I regret that I never went home. It's been 5 years I haven't gone back, and I regret it the most right now because now I've really realized how important it is to be surrounded by your family once in a while. So that's something that I really, really miss. Other than that, she's giving me company, so
Yeah, the true your new extended family, your
yeah.
Saheli, your behan,
हम सखी सहेलियां.
Yes.
Sakhi Saheliya. There's soul therapy coach who actually said that Adeline's double chin. I actually want to check where is that, Baba? Where?
What?
We exactly. Somebody said Adeline. Like रोते रहते हैं. But soul therapy, we need to check out and actually find out where is Adeline's
Maybe
double chin.
was he
Okay, girls,
asking? Okay.
favorite movie ever?
Harry Potter movies. They are my favorite all time. I can watch them over and over again.
Okay, and Adeline, what about you?
Okay, so I'm a little like not loyal to my movies. So whichever movie I watch, I fall in love with it and I cry and then I
And then I
tell.
obsess it over for a long time.
So recently I watched Panchen Tomar and I love that movie. I love Irfan's acting in that and and it's such an emotional thing for me. So yeah, that's on my mind right now.
So does that work for you in real life as well? With Acha ye karo liya.
I know where you're going.
Move on. I will cry for you. Okay, you're gone. Done. Let me move on.
No, not really.
Okay.
No, right? Okay, one dialogue from your favorite movie.
Do you remember your dialogues? Harry Potter has a lot of spells, so I remember almost all the spells.
अच्छा कोई भी डायलॉग बोल दो यार हिंदी में बोल देना उसे
Oh God.
Okay.
So I'll Hindi में when it's dubbed. Now this spell is to scare away the Dementors.
अच्छा अंग्रेजी में बोल दो मैं उसे हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट
Yeah.
अंग्रेजी में
No,
बोल दो
no,
मैं हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट कर दूँ
No, but Hindi translation is very funny. Listen to it. It's Expecto Patronum, and in Hindi it is Pitradev Sangrakshanam.
Okay, I need a moment there.
Okay, Adeline needs a glass of English water. Do you want to just consume that and come back?
Yes. I'm
Rima,
back.
hello, Rosh of Love. I'm guessing this is Roshmita, right?
Yeah, no.
Roshni
Roshni.
Sharma.
Roshni, yeah. Big hello, yes. So, what about you, Adeline? Your favorite movie dialogue?
मैं
Adeline,
अपनी
तुम तो हिंदी में बोल ही देना.
एक चुटकी सिंदूर आपको
की कीमत.
okay, yeah, wait. एक चुटकी की सिंदूर की कीमत आप क्या जानो
Sachin Babu.
Sachin Babu. Oh no, and but I really like the dialogue that Shah Rukh Khan says in Om Shanti Om. कि शिद्दत वाला dialogue पूरी कायनात आपसे उनको मिलाने की कोशिश कर रही.
इतनी शिद्दत से तुम्हें पाने की कोशिश की है
Yes.
तुमसे मिलाने की कोशिश की है वही वाला ना yeah oh no the other one hold on the Shah Rukh one is saying किसी चीज को अगर दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात तुम्हें उनसे मिलाने में लग जाती
Yeah.
I said it Rima I said it
Yes.
I
Yes.
said it, okay.
Was wonderful.
Rima said it say it correctly so let me say किसी चीज को अगर दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात तुम्हें उससे मिलाने में लग जाती है क्या बात शुक्रिया she did it again for Rima okay I have a lovely question dark chocolate or milk chocolate
Dark chocolate.
why
She's lying.
Because it's dark. I like things that are dark and not deep. I love like dark secrets.
I should take it as a compliment thank you I want to know dark men or fair men
Men are men. There's no color in it. Okay.
come of course there's color man men are no I'm not giving you a straight card here कि भाई ये वाला I'm just telling you
It's important what's on the inside. It's important what's on the inside. तो उसका color नहीं होता है. सबका color same होता है inside
okay
में.
don't no you're not going to make me cry again and give me
I'm sorry, I cannot control my laughter.
Okay.
Miss Pieces this is wheatish yeah this is wheatish so somebody said no you're not dark so I'm saying no it's
What
not
we
about
meant to say was that we do not discriminate anyone on the
What?
basis of color.
oh you don't give me a Miss Diva answer give me an Avriti answer don't give me oh no I think
Yeah.
No, but I really like guys who are very sensitive and who if I see a guy helping somebody
I think
else
after
out.
color-
I don't care for all of that right now my question is dark or fair simple
We'll go for wheat.
Any
Wheatish.
color.
Yeah.
कितनी diplomatic हो दोनों कितनी diplomatic
हमने ट्रेनिंग ली है.
No,
Avriti?
not really.
नहीं ना एडलिन का नेचुरली आ रहा है तुमने ट्रेनिंग ली होगी
कि अभी ट्रेनिंग देने के लिए एडलिन ही है यहाँ पे.
Nice one, Avriti. I like that. Okay, now I want to know, besides me, so you're saved, if you were to have 3 people over for dinner, who would they be?
I want to call. I want to call. I want to call Ian Somerhalder. He's my favorite actor because I was really obsessed with this TV series for a long time. He's from Vampire Diaries. Okay, don't judge people. And then I want to call Matthew Perry. He's from Friends, and Jennifer Aniston. She's also from Friends.
She.
Yeah, she. I said she. No, don't do that.
See, I'm supposed
Yeah.
to. My job calls me with that. The grammar, English, good.
She.
Yeah.
I love these three actors, so yeah.
Nice. And what will the conversation about? Let's just be friends.
I I would be fangirling for a long time, I guess. So I hope they don't run away from my dinner. Now that you've said, I need to plan out my dinner uh, in a better manner so that they don't go away. Because I'm really big, huge fans of them.
So you better
So,
serve
yeah.
them right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Adil, what about you? Who were the three people?
Okay, for random conversations, I would call, I'm going to say Michael Jackson. Because,
Wow.
Oh,
and Nelson Mandela and Britney Spears.
Nice.
nice. So it's going to be quite a
was-
rocky, quite going to be a rock kind of pop kind of an evening where
Speaking for
Michael
pop.
and literally Michael Jackson going with the current situation going heal the world. Do you want to sing the song Heal the World? By the way, to all the ones who are actually joined us, we want to say that we're having a fun chat, so nothing serious, no offense meant to anybody or anybody and everybody. So take it light, be chill, and lockdown में वैसे भी बहुत serious चल रही है पूरी दुनिया तो थोड़ा सा हम मजे कर लें. That's what we believe in. So Adeline, you want to sing the song of Michael Jackson or Britney Spears?
I don't want anyone to run away.
I will just say, oops, I
If
did
you're
it again.
gonna- If you're going to help me out, then we can sing it together.
We'll ask
Which
them if they want us to, want Ashta Tashi, good to see you too. If they want us to sing, literally, I have a bathroom singer's voice, so but I can still try. But you go for it. You go for it.
No,
Avriti, come on, Avriti.
No. No.
Avriti, Friends ka title track, come on.
Oh, okay.
Prajyot Bonde. Yes. I
But
swear,
somebody-
Bonde, I'm
somebody has to
thinking is a
clap like this.
Maharashtrian, so I'll say nahi, ajibat karna nahi, ami chai
Like this?
karna nahi.
Sorry?
Ashta, go for it. Avriti, go.
Okay. So no one told you life was gonna be this way. Your job's a joke, you're broke. Your love life's the OA. It's like you're always stuck in second gear. When it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, or even your year. But I'll be there for you. I
Thank
love
you.
it.
Thank
Be
you.
there
Now,
for
see-
me too.
But thank you for being a sport, and everybody who just said, one of them said, "Oh, don't sing." Yeah, she did a good job, and it's all about being a sport, all about actually, overcoming inhibitions and doing it all crazy, right?
Yes.
someone is asking, can you touch your tongue to your nose?
Can you touch your
Why?
nose
Why
to your
not?
tongue?
Yes,
My
do
nose
that.
to my tongue, I can't, but tongue to your nose, you can try. You want to try it?
No.
Don't do table manners. We're not eating dinner here. Toothpick and no, we're not doing all of that. So go for it. Okay, I'm not going to do that. Okay.
Never mind with that.
If you wake up in the morning and find out that Adeline is Avriti and Avriti is Adeline, what would be your first reaction? What would you do?
So, if I am Adeline, then I can actually eat chocolates because I'm strictly kept off chocolates and sweets, and I don't know how she gets away with it. So, that is what I'm going to do.
Kitna bhi
You're gonna
khala,
eat-
kuch nahi. You're gonna binge on chocolates. You're saying,
Yeah,
Adeline.
yeah.
Before
She
you
gets
answer,
away with it. It doesn't affect her. This thing. It
System.
doesn't- it
Stomach.
doesn't- it
Stomach, are you
doesn't
getting
affect her
biological
health
now?
anyway.
Are we getting biological here? We are not. Okay, Ashta Tashi
Yes.
says she can actually touch her tongue to the nose. Ashta, if you don't mind,
Yeah,
could you
that's
send us a picture? Please. Adeline, go for it.
Okay, so I've always had these dreams since I was really young. I wanted to be a pop star I want to be a singer. So if I got up as Avriti, I'll just open my windows and I'll sing. I'll be like, ah, I mean, in Avriti's voice.
She actually does that.
No, I don't do that.
But I would do that. I would be a pop star of India, the first pop star of India, who could sing and dance together.
Okay, now Avriti, hold on. Adeline, see, imagine you are Avriti for this next few seconds, and try one line of singing like Avriti in Hindi. मुझे में हिंदी में ही गाना चाहिए.
What song should I sing?
Do you remember?
Hindi में गाना
अच्छा,
चाहिए. You said
में,
Hindi, right?
में.
Yeah, Hindi. Yeah, Hindi is a language that's spoken in India.
That you listen to every day.
कौन सा वाला?
This thing.
Meera Boy, yes, definitely she'll answer your question in a little while. And yes, Adeline, go for it.
उड़ने लगा क्यों मन बाबरा रे आया कहाँ से ये हौसला रे ओ मेरे पिया
Thank you, Adeline. अगर तुम्हें मेरे लिए गाना है. Thank you. But good job. And if you liked it, all of us who are watching us right now, we definitely need an applause for Adeline. And thank you, Avriti, for supporting her. Now, I have some. Let's do some filmy stuff. Filmy
Yes.
stuff. Yeah.
Yes.
I'm going to ask you a dialogue. And if people from actually Ashta's already sent us a picture of her tongue touching the nose, I think I've got it on my inbox. So,
Where?
we'll get that. Yeah.
No, got
I'll
on
send
it.
it to you girls and we'll post it on social media on our handles that she's actually done it. And
All
if
the best.
all of you, yeah, whoever has joined us right now, if you think somebody actually asked us to do this is touch our tongue to our nose, we three couldn't do it. अगर आप में से कोई भी कर सकता है तो हमें वो फोटो भेज दो. And we'll put in our page, man. Why not? As Ashta Tashi has already done it. So, okay. Hindi film fans?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay.
Yes.
Simple वाला. And viewers से भी पूछना चाहूँगा कि अगर आपके पास कोई सवाल हो तो वो सवाल shoot कीजिए. हमें लिख भेजिए. Any movie dialogues, we'll ask Adeline and Avi to actually guess which movie it is. Now, this, I don't think so. You were even born when this movie was released, but it's an evergreen dialogue. So, Ashta,
It's okay.
sorry, I'm looking. Yuck, you're going to post it on social media? Of course, Ashta. Since you sent it on my inbox, it of course goes out. कितने आदमी थे?
Surely.
अवृति की बॉलीवुड नॉलेज बहुत अच्छी है. अगर आपके पास भी कोई सवाल ऐसे डायलॉग्स है तो प्लीज भेज दो. That I wanted to screenshot their funny faces. Go for it, man. It's all yours. We are here on a public platform, so you can Satyan Boy, a big shout out and namaste. Okay, this one. बड़े-बड़े देशों में ऐसी छोटी-छोटी बातें होती रहती हैं. होती रहती है.
No.
No, Avriti, wait.
I'm confused between two films. How can I
Wait.
कुछ होता है.
Adeline? Avriti, who said it? कुछ होता है.
No, I said.
मैं रुक.
I said.
Senorita. Yes. उसमें काजोल भी होती है.
अरे
उसमें काजोल ही है.
या काजोल और शाहरुख खान की मूवी है. And
बीवी नहीं है.
अच्छा.
बड़े-बड़े देशों में छोटी-छोटी बातें होती रहती है. Senorita.
I said
Help us, guys.
कुछ होता है.
Not कुछ होता है. अभी recently किया ना दिलवाले.
Oh shit, DDLJ. है ना?
DDLJ. दिलवाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे. You're right. And if you think you all fat people in one frame, Avinash Payal, how are you? Kill me one Stanley. Exactly. Even that was the same feeling. How could you not know this dialogue? Somebody actually asked you.
The cast is same. I always get confused in these two movies.
Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge. Now, there's one. Somebody actually asked, which is this? Who said this to whom and which movie? Hey, क्या बोलती तू? Hey, क्या मैं बोलूं?
Definitely Amitabh Bachchan.
Amir Khan.
Okay, my voice must have sounded like, hey, क्या बोलती तू? Wait.
Okay, like, oh shit.
क्या बोलती? So it's Amir Khan. Amir Khan to कौन? Juhi Chawla?
I don't know. I give up.
I am guessing. Okay, I don't know the movie name, but it is the Rani Mukherjee that is sung to. But movie name, अगर आपको पता है, जिसने भी वो सवाल भेजा है, तो please shoot it to us, right? So at least we got that right. Okay. This you will never ever get it, but I will change it and I will ask another one. Mogambo, khush hua.
Yamma, yamma.
Hari,
No, Adeline, no.
it's from Mr. India. That.
Yes, yes, Avriti. Adeline, don't be so shocked. Yeah, she didn't share it with you. She's your saheli, she's your band, she's everything right now. But see, she's going ahead. Okay. मैं उड़ना चाहता हूँ, दौड़ना चाहता हूँ, गिरना भी चाहता हूँ.
ये जवानी है दीवानी.
Hey, nice. Now, Avriti.
Okay.
Now it's Adeline's turn. But good job, Avriti. Good job. ये जवानी है दीवानी.
It's my hand. Yes. 1 second. Yes.
Why you 1 second?
Adeline, Bhaiya's come. Has Bhaiya come?
No.
No, Sachin,
Okay.
Bhaiya has not come.
Bhaiya has not come.
Bhaiya has not come. Okay. कौन है वो जिसने मुड़ के मुझे नहीं देखा?
कभी खुशी कभी गम
Oh,
ना
nice.
छुटाएंगे हम.
Nice, nice. I like that. One more for you. तुम्हारी स्माइल कितनी डेंजरस है तुम्हें पता है? This is coming out from me to both of you.
ये जवानी है दीवानी. क्या है इसका नाम? बनी.
Huh? How many times have you seen this movie? ये जवानी है दीवानी.
पता नहीं 3-4 बार देखी होगी.
3-4 बार देखी होगी और तुम्हें डायलॉग भी याद कर लिया. बहुत पसंद है. And Anirudh and Vishal Patil, a big shout out. Okay. Okay, this one is one of my favorites. हम एक बार जीते हैं, एक बार मरते हैं. शादी भी एक ही बार होती है और प्यार भी एक बार होता है.
मैं बोलूं?
Say.
माधुरी दीक्षित from आजा ना चिले ना.
What? No.
I did.
No.
Okay. Nor did I sound like Madhuri Dixit. Wait,
Sorry
I'm
again,
gonna-
sorry.
I'll say this again. हम एक बार जीते हैं, एक बार मरते हैं. शादी भी एक ही बार होती है और प्यार भी एक बार होता है.
मोहब्बतें.
Yeah.
People are giving the answer.
Really?
You know, I want to say this right now. मुझे कुछ कुछ होता है.
अरे यार, I knew it was Shah Rukh Khan's
शाहरुख खान
dialogue, but I
मोहब्बतें
couldn't
ना.
figure out the movie.
अरे
कुछ
मोहब्बतें.
कुछ होता है. Yeah, it is कुछ कुछ होता है.
Yeah.
शादी का बात कब की यार? कुछ होता था. I'll see it again.
Crazy pageant love. भाई मुझे मार. भाई, you and me sail in the same ship right now. मुझे भी भाई. अरे ओ सांबा, कहाँ जा रहे हो?
अभी तो हम
शोले.
हर मूवी देखेंगे.
Sholay.
We'll watch
रोज
every movie.
एक. How could you SRK dialogue? Of course, how could you? ये याद नहीं कैसे रह
He's
सकता
my
है यार?
favorite actor यार. मुझे पता है उन्होंने ही बोला था, पर
Like-
कब बोला था पता नहीं.
Lies.
Okay, now one more. Okay, let me try this. जो मैं बोलता हूँ वो मैं करके दिखाता हूँ. वो मैं जो नहीं बोलता वो मैं.
Akshay Kumar, Rowdy Rathod.
Hold on.
सलमान
Sorry,
खान.
Salman Khan. Oh
Dabangg.
shit. Yeah. No. It's
Wanted.
confusing.
Dabangg Wanted. Same है यार.
नहीं, वो Rowdy Rathod का कुछ तो भी ऐसे similar dialogue था.
Okay, somebody saying that I am joking. Hindi famous dialogue asking them who use these lines. So please give us those lines. कैसे याद नहीं मुझे तो नींद में भी पूछे. I can say it. Okay, give me some dialogue.
Salman Khan का था Wanted.
Wait, no, tell me this. This is this. जब मैं बोलता हूँ, जो मैं बोलता हूँ वो मैं करता हूँ. जो मैं नहीं बोलता वो मैं definitely करता हूँ.
नहीं. नहीं.
नहीं, बताओ.
शाहिद का है and it's from that movie जिसमें वो वाला. Yeah, exactly.
R for राजकुमार.
राजकुमार.
नहीं यार, हम सब गलत बोल रहे हैं.
You
यार
were
नहीं,
right,
Shahid-
Aditi. You were right on the first go. It was Rowdy Rathod.
Oh, then why are you confusing me?
cheating.
It is Rowdy Rathod, yeah. Bhumika,
No,
how are you?
he's confusing us now.
Okay.
Wait.
हम आपसे की see.
No, it's Rowdy Rathod. It's Rowdy Rathod. Right?
Yes,
it is
he
Rowdy
said yeah.
Rathod. It is. Manushi Chiller 17. Manushi is one of the biggest fans right now. And yes, a big shout out going out to ladies. Lockdown में movies देखना शुरू कर दो. Anirudh, yes.
जी सर.
Got
जी
it?
सर. हाँ.
ऐसी नजर से देखा उस जालिम ने.
अच्छा, गुजराती गुजराती.
Ah,
Irbfan ki.
I was just trying to play around with you. So yes, it is a song. So
Yeah.
it is. Okay, next. Should we move on to, if anybody has any dialogues, you give us those dialogues, and we'll ask these two lovely ladies if they can answer us and tell us which movie does that dialogue belong to. कि कौन सी फिल्म से है. पर मैं अब दूसरा एक पूछने वाला हूँ कुछ. Never have I ever lockdown edition. Ready for this?
Okay. Yes.
अच्छा,
Yes.
मोहब्बत है इसलिए जाने दिया, जिद होती तो
ऐ दिल है
बाप
मुश्किल.
हाँ?
ऐ दिल है मुश्किल.
Irfan
ऐ
Khan.
दिल-
No, अरे.
अरे मुझे नहीं पता था यार, मुझे सच्ची पता नहीं, स्वेर. जिस किसी ने भेजा है उसको आई एम.
तुझे पता है?
इरफान खान का डायलॉग है. आई डोंट रिमेम्बर कौन सा मूवी पर होगा. I mean, होगा मतलब it must be one movie, but it's Irfan Khan's dialogue, and he said it wonderfully. Can you please, guys, can you please tell us कौन सी movie है, because I would want to watch it again.
Yeah, and Khyati Zakawaz actually said बचपन से मुझे शादी करने का बड़ा शौक है. By God.
ये तो करीना कपूर का है. Dialogue
बचपन
and
से मुझे
yeah,
शादी
she said
करने का बड़ा शौक है. My God.
करीना कपूर का है and yeah, it's Irfan Khan's dialogue. पुराना वाला. Somebody said.
ख्याति कावा, ये तुम्हारा डायलॉग है?
जज्बा.
अच्छा, ऐश्वर्या राय.
People actually putting out their. Khyati is a renowned anchor from the live events fraternity. So उसकी वो अपनी अंदरूनी बातें भी बोल रही है यहाँ पर. Thank you, and Khyati, we wish you all the best कि तुम्हारा ये शौक पूरा हो जाए. Jazba movie. Thank you guys. Thank you. Irfan Khan. Yes, you were right. Adeline, you were right when you said Irfan Khan. Yeah. Okay. Never have I ever lockdown edition. Adeline and Aditi, both of you, have you gone to bed post sunrise?
No.
Lockdown. Not like nightlife करने के बाद 6 बजे 7 बजे आने के बाद. Yeah?
Yes, I've done that. Yes. मुझे रात
done
में
that?
नींद नहीं आती आजकल. Yes.
Okay, this is so apt to ask the divas. Pawar Falguni has asked, model नहीं supermodel बनने आई हूँ.
Priyanka Chopra, fashion.
Oh, I knew it. The fashionable girls will answer this in one go. Okay, next question. Have you ever tried making Dalgona coffee or whatever you call it?
No, I'm a tea person. So
I've seen this text everywhere, but I've never tried it.
I'm a
Have you-
tea person.
No,
Never? Yeah.
I didn't know much about it.
Okay. What is the experiment that you've ever done with Maggie? Besides your hair?
Oh god.
Yeah.
So not a really experiment, but I like my Maggie with cheese and जो Domino's का this thing is that oregano and chili flakes. I put that in my Maggie.
और भी 4-5 ब्रांड नेम ले लो, हम सारे एक साथ डाल देंगे, सारे कर लेंगे यार. मुझे बता दो, किसी ने एक सही सवाल पूछा है.
That's the best use of those things. They give it इतना सारा आता है free में. So you have to put it somewhere.
You have to make the most of it. Put
Yeah.
it to use. Okay. There's somebody who's actually asked a good question. Ki, how many days have you continuously at a stretch gone without taking a bath?
In the
Sach
lockdown?
bolo. Sach bolo.
In the lockdown?
Adeline के सिर पे हाथ रख के सच बोलो. Avriti
I
has a
take
lot
a
of.
bath every day.
No, come on. Not even once did you not skip taking a bath?
No, yeah, that's obviously like once in a while. So we are
Once in
also
a while. So
human.
that's what people are asking genuinely. How many days at a stretch have you gone? Answer.
One, not more than that.
What about you,
No
Adeline?
more.
कोई आइडिया नहीं है. I don't know. क्योंकि
She's not-
आजकल it's like, you know, days 9, night is 6, so I don't have any answer to that.
She's lost the count of days that she's gone without taking a bath. That's what she meant.
No. No, that's सरासर झूठ है. I have bath every day.
क्या है? वापस बोलो जरा.
झूठ.
है
सरासर.
झूठ.
तुम जब ऐसे बड़े वाले लफ्ज इस्तेमाल करती है तो यहाँ छू जाते हैं. यहाँ सरासर झूठ है.
अच्छी बात
Okay.
है.
Okay. Never have I ever made an embarrassing video.
I have
I
lots.
have.
My gallery, even during my diva journey, this was my favorite pastime. I made embarrassing videos of everyone. So now I
What
can
about
blackmail
yourself?
everyone.
What about yourself?
No, why would I do that? Why would I make an embarrassing video of myself? I would make embarrassing video of other people so that I can
So
blackmail them.
what is that one thing that you've done for about Adeline, an embarrassing video?
So okay, no.
She'll be in
There
jail.
is a filter on Snapchat that makes your lips huge, mouth. It makes
Yeah,
huge.
like
So she was, yeah. So she was ranting about something, and she did not know I was recording. So I put the filter on her face and I recorded. So I have it with me.
क्योंकि filter में आप ऐसे बात करने लगते हो. So that's the filter she was using.
क्या
Not
filter
ranting.
डालोगे? Okay, I will ask everybody if you want to see that embarrassing video, should she put it up on social media for everybody to see the other side of Adeline and the embarrassing, quirky side of Avriti, right?
Yeah. I have no problem. So
She has
It's
no
added-
problem for my
added-
video. She has no problem for my video. Wow.
Of course, she should not have a problem. Yeah, she's the king of pranks, so queen of pranks. So let her go for it. Have you ever tried the pillow or the brush challenge? Pillow challenge.
both guilty. Both guilty of both.
Was there
Brush
any
challenge.
pawpaw? Was there anything that happened when you were doing the pillow challenge?
Actually, I was trying it with the white pillow first, but it was not happening. I don't know. It was very flimsy, the pillow, so that it couldn't happen. So I had to, yeah, I used this pillow. No, this pillow.
May I know the size of that pillow?
No, I was wearing leggings
Denim?
below this, yeah, and boots. So I turned it into a
Yeah,
like
please
very.
be specific because when I said a pillow challenge doesn't mean that you can just pick up a pillow and say, "मैंने सिर्फ इतना वाला पहना था यार."
So I put it on social media, and I was like, actually, I was very scared. I wanted to do this experiment and see how it turns out, but it turned out quite well.
Nice. What about you, Adeline? Do you plan to do that?
I'm
No.
going to invent a challenge.
You're happy
I don't
with
know
the
what-
pillow just taking at your bedside and then go like, "चलो यार, कपड़े
I don't
काफी
use
है
a
मेरे पास."
pillow. Actually, I don't use a pillow. I don't. I mean, by the time I get up, I don't use a pillow because I'm not used to it.
Okay, we don't want to get there.
I didn't get what your joke is, but I got it. I don't know.
This is the offline. This cannot be discussed and can't be scrutinized here. So we should do that. And the ones who got it, I'm sure got it. But you both are beautiful cushions. सब अच्छे लगेगा. सब अच्छा लगेगा. Actually, सब अच्छा लगेगा तुम दोनों पे. और क्यों ना हो हमें global platform पे represent करने वाली हैं. So with that, I think it's been quite a long time that we've been having this masti, and thank you for each and everyone who's
No,
joined us.
don't thank yet. Now the surprise element. We're turning the tables, and we're asking you
We're
the
turning the
questions.
cushions on you.
अच्छा टी-शर्ट उतार दो फिर.
No requirement. We will ask you questions, and you guys are also free to ask questions. that
Sachin,
you
a lot
want
of
to know
questions,
about
and
superstar.
the way he has drilled us. So, अब हमारी बारी है.
अच्छा तुम भी तैयारी करके आई हो पूरी इसी लिस्ट बना के.
Yes.
Thanks. Sammy is the one who's the most
हमारे
happy. Sushil, hi, how are
अच्छे-
you? Yes, go for it.
So we want to know what is the strangest rumor you have heard about yourself. My घर का
भैया
phone
फोन
बजा.
उठाओ भैया.
भैया
भैया?
भैया सो
भैया
है.
क्या?
अच्छा मैं उठाती हूँ. 1 second.
भैया फोन उठाओ नहीं तुम. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, come back. Yes.
What is the what? What is the most
Strangest rumor you've heard about yourself.
strangest rumor?
Yeah.
I'm a non-controversial guy, so nothing.
Okay.
मैं
I
तुम्हारे
have a
बच्चे की
question.
माँ बनने वाली हूँ.
Tell something. What?
मैं तुम्हारे बच्चे की माँ बनने वाली हूँ. My wife.
Okay,
said
I have
that
a
to me.
question
My
for
wife
you.
said that to me. Relax.
What is suppose tomorrow you get up as Sachini I mean, you wake up as a woman. What's the first thing you're going to do?
Hit on the most sexy man on this planet then.
Who, according to you, is the most sexy man on this
Yeah,
planet?
that's
Don't say you're hitting on yourself, you know.
yeah. Obviously, you can't. It's
Indirectly, thank you for the compliment. Thank you for the
Oh.
compliment, Madeline. Asta, are you reading what she's saying? Who is the most? I think Hrithik Roshan is super, super stunning. And there's Milind Soman.
Yeah, Hrithik Roshan was my first crush. You know, when I watched his movie Kaho Na Pyar Hai. Oh shit.
And Anil Kapoor, man, to die for.
Yeah,
Yeah.
my mommy.
One, two, ka, four, two, ka, one. Mine.
How is he aging like wine? It's amazing.
Doesn't
What?
age now.
Sorry?
He doesn't age. He looks the same, and he looks even better. I mean, I don't
Yeah,
know.
he's like wine, getting finer by the day.
Okay.
Nihal Chudasma, how are you? Tell me. Yes.
So you have worked with many celebs, and who has been the most fun to work with?
Who's what? What? I didn't get it. Sorry.
Who has been most fun to work with?
Celeb that you
The
work with.
celeb.
What is 7? What?
Celeb.
Celeb.
Celebrity.
Celebrity.
Yeah, the
Celebrity.
most fun celeb to work with. Most fun is Anusha Dandekar. She's the most
Yeah.
crazy girl I've ever met. No inhibitions, and the accent that she has, and when she actually
Oh, yes.
and when she actually speaks in Marathi, you should see the switch. The first time that actually we met and we both were talking, and I didn't know. I knew she's a Maharashtrian, and I'm a Maharashtrian too. And I went, and she speaks extremely good English. And I go, so do you speak Marathi? And Kaire Melia. And she turned around and she spoke in Marathi, and I'm like, oh shit, that
What are
just
you
came.
saying?
Yeah, that's came like a whack. So yeah, so she's brilliant, and she's a live wire. So she's, I think, Anusha Dandekar.
That's amazing.
That's-
So I want to ask you, when will we see you on the silver screen? And if you had to do a movie, what would the title of the movie be?
मैं मेरा favorite हूँ.
That is so easy to pick.
Yeah,
Are you-
I'm not. No, I'm not that conceited or self-obsessed. But I know a movie to make on myself.
Okay, if you had to pick an actor to play your, life, who would you pick?
Shah Rukh Khan.
Who else? Yeah.
वो मैंने कहा था थोड़ी देर पहले. किसी चीज को अगर दिल से चाहो, गाने में लग जाती. एडलिन तुम्हें पता नहीं, कुछ होता है.
Oh, so
Hardcore Shah Rukh fan.
Beautiful.
Okay, one more. Your most embarrassing moment on stage.
My most embarrassing moment on stage
I know you're
when.
perfect, but
Sorry.
I know that you're perfect,
Perfect.
the king of perfection, but what's that one thing that happened nobody knows?
I'm not even close to Amir Khan, so I'm not king of perfection. ये मुझे बालों को इतने दबा के मैंने आज अंदर डाले, तुम्हें पता नहीं है यार, perfect बनने के लिए. But I would say the most embarrassing moment was when actually my zipper got stuck, my zip, and
Oh
I
my
had to go on
God.
stage the same way at an event, and it has happened, and I'm actually lived with it. So zip बीच में अटक गई थी, और उसके साथ मुझे show करना पड़ा. But as they say, the show must go on.
Oh,
But weren't you like conscious
Unc-
that this is?
I was
Weren't you
cautious.
conscious?
I was cautious
he was
All right.
all the
cautious.
time.
He was
Because
cautious
it
all
was
the
my
time.
crotch who was at risk. I had to forget it and just move on and not be like, conscious about it. But ऐसी सारी चीजें तुम्हारे साथ भी कई बार हुई होगी, कुछ ना कुछ हुआ होगा. So you have to just walk and go ahead. So let me turn the
Right.
tables and ask you, what is the most embarrassing thing, actually something like this that has happened when you were actually on stage?
So I've been.
Trying- Yeah.
Yes,
go.
yes, you embarrass yourself first.
No, you go.
You
So I've
asked
been
me a
a
question.
dancer.
I'm just asking you back.
So I've been a dancer for all these years. So embarrassing चीजें तो होती रहती है. Once I've even fallen off the stage dancing.
Oh my God.
Do you have a video of that?
No, I don't have. It was quite long back. I was, I think, 11 or 12 years old, and we had a performance. So there was a jump step, and I jumped out of the stage. But I really wanted to dance, so I came back again and I was performing. I was really hurt, but still.
But you still says the show must go on. Avriti, तुम बहुत कुछ बोलना चाहती हो, ऐसा लग रहा है कि तुम चुप हो. बोलो बोलो.
नहीं, there's nothing
आज तो
of that
बोल ही दो.
sort. No, but seriously, there's nothing as such that has happened to me yet. And but actually, during the Mumbai party, I was very close to falling. When I was walking, I was walking. There was this circle of grass, and my heel got stuck there. I was really lucky that nobody noticed because मेरा पैर ऐसा पूरा मुड़ गया था. I was walking, and there was like a dip like this. So the people who were at the end might have noticed that. Other people did not.
Speaking
And
about
I'm glad it hasn't gone viral.
Yeah, nobody saw
yeah, it happened. So speaking about performances, tomorrow I'll be performing at 6 p.m. On the Facebook Live to raise funds for the Akshaya Patra. So whoever is watching right now, I've been really practicing my performance because this is really special, and we know that a lot of things are happening with daily wage workers. This is an NGO that supports it. So I'm hoping all of you come to that live, have a good time, and contribute in however you can.
So yeah, somebody actually complimented you on the initiative that you're doing, and tomorrow 6 p.m. it is. So definitely join Adeline for a good cause. We all need to do our bit. So thank you so much for that, and thank you Avriti, thank you Adeline for a super fun session, and thank you for being a
Thank you, Sachin. We had a lot of fun.
everybody. Let's thank everybody who's joined us in and actually participate and been there with us, telling us all the dialogues, and बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.
Thank you guys. You've been such a good audience, and thank you, Sachin.
Sachin,
It's been
for
amazing. This is the best live that we've ever
We've
had.
done. We
We've
had a
never
lot of
enjoyed.
fun, and I couldn't stop laughing. So
And,
जाते
and
जाते, do you want to जाते जाते Avriti sing?
I sung
no,
enough.
but actually, I
I
want you to
enough.
speak in Gujarati क्योंकि मैंने बहुत देखा है कि आप गुजराती में बहुत लोगों को you give warning, you give things to people in Gujarati. I want to hear you say something in Gujarati.
મારી મધર ટંગ ગુજરાતી નથી, પણ બોલવાનું ટ્રાય કરું છું કારણ કે બહુ બધી બેનપણી હતી મને નાનો હતો ત્યારથી, તો ગુજરાતી બોલી લઉં છે. કરવાનું ને એટલે બધી જે લેંગ્વેજ આવે એ કરવાની અને ટ્રાય કરવાનું. અને મુંબઈ બોમ્બેમાં રહે જ તો અહીંયા રહીને તો હમણાં બધું બોલવું પડે. ગુજરાતી છે, પછી મરાઠી છે, પંજાબી, બધા દોસ્તાર છે, તો વાત કરવાની. તમે બહુ સરસ દેખાવ છો. અને એન્ડ અને Avriti તાળી વગાડીને આમ નહીં કહો કે હવે ખતમ કર, બંધ
Oh
કર.
my god! Oh my
So what I
god!
meant-
Monologue हो गया पूरा. Monologue हो गया पूरा.
That's
देख, बोलना
amazing.
मेरा काम है, उसी का तो खाता हूँ, उसी की तो पीता हूँ, तो I can just go on. And but yeah, it's your, whatever languages that you're comfortable with. Yes, I recently started a Gujarati character, and a lot of people said कि भाई मराठी भी कर ले, तो मैंने बोला हाँ करें कधीतरी जेव्हा मिळेल चान्स किंवा उद्या किंवा परवा मी काहीतरी मराठीत करेन.
Wow!
So thank you so much, girls, and thank you each and everyone for joining us.
Thank you so much. Thank you everyone for joining us. I hope you guys also had fun because we definitely did.
So be happy, be kind to others, and enjoy your time.
And be yourselves. Most
And be
Yeah.
yourself. Yes.
Yes. Thank you, girls. Thank you so much. Peace out. Thank you.
Yeah. Bye bye.
Bye bye.